If you're looking to sign PDFs from Gmail with one click, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in the easiest way possible, no complicated steps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to sign documents right from your Gmail inbox without any hassle. First, let's get started by opening your Gmail. Once you've found the email with the PDF attachment, you're going to click to open that attachment. Now here's the trick. Instead of downloading it, we'll use our software that integrates directly with Gmail. This will save you time and keep everything in the cloud, making it incredibly easy. When you open the attachment, our software will pop up as an option for you. You'll click on it, and in just a couple of clicks, you'll be able to add your signature directly onto the document. No need to print, scan, or send it back. It's that simple. Now, let me show you the best part. When you're ready to sign, you can either draw your signature, type it, or use a pre-saved one. All the options are clear and quick. Once you've signed the document, you simply click Save, and you can send it back, all from Gmail. One-click signing, no downloads, no mess. You might have tried other tools, but with our software, this process is streamlined and super fast. Plus, I'm giving you exclusive access to a free trial for this software in the description below, so you can follow along with the tutorial and see how well it works yourself. To recap, here's how you sign PDFs from Gmail with one click. 1. Open the email with the PDF. 2. Use the software integrated into Gmail to open the PDF directly. 3. Sign it with just a couple of clicks. 4. Save it and send it back. Simple as that. Key takeaway. This software streamlines the process and eliminates the need for multiple steps when signing PDFs from Gmail. It's faster and easier than anything else I've tried. Before you go, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's the easiest way to sign PDFs directly from Gmail with one click. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link below.